Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing my, what's her name? My sister's makeup.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in about 2 years now, but I'm finally back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing my little sister's makeup. Do you want to introduce yourself, Kaylee?
My name is Kylie.
Do you want to introduce your doggy?
Sure. Her name is Khloe Kardashian.
Khloe Kardashian. She does look a little bit rough right now. So I'm gonna be transforming her into. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off by using the Kylie Skin Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to use that to prime her face. Now that we're done priming her face, I'm going to start off by doing her brows. And for brows, I'm going to be using the Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. I'm going to start off by brushing up her brows with the spoolie. I'm going to be filling in her brows now. And I'm going to start off by lining the bottom of her brows. And I'm not trying to make it look too dramatic. I'm trying to make it look a little bit more on the natural side. Now that we're done filling in her eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and carve out her brows with the NARS concealer. Now that we're done filling out her brows, we're going to be priming her eyelids, and I'm going to be using the NARS concealer once again. Putting this right on her lid. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend that right up. Set her eyelids, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade Fair. For her eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette by Morphe, this one right here. For her transition shade, I'm going to be using Pinkity Drinky, and it's going to be this light pink shade right here. The next shade we're going to be using is Single, and it's this purple shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that right in her crease. Next, I'm going to be cutting her crease, and the brush I'm going to be using is this Wetnwild brush. Now that we're done cutting out her crease, I'm gonna go in with Escape, this purple shade right here, and put that right on her outer corner. Next, I'm going to be curling her lashes with this Revlon eyelash curler, and for mascara, I'm going to be using the Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Eylure lashes. For glue today, I'm going to be using the Lash Duo Glue. I'm going to put that right on the lashes. Now that we're done putting on her lashes, I'm going to go ahead and spray her face with the Mario Badescu spray. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 225 Medium Buff. For concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer I used to carve out her brows. I'm going to be setting her under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me as well. To bronze her face today, I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. I'm going to be using 3 of the shades, the dark shades that are in this palette. I'm not going to show you guys just because it's really broken. For blush today, I'm going to be using this blush right here by Laura Geller. For highlight, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. Once again, I'm going to be using this shade right here called Face. I went ahead and smoked out her lower lash line with the same shade I used in her outer corner, which is the one right here. It's called Escape. Now I'm going to be using the Telescopic mascara once again to put on her bottom lashes. Lastly, I'm going to throw on this lip gloss by Bath & Body Works. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!